Diagnostics influences over 70% of healthcare decisions. There are around 8 diagnostic labs per 100,000 people in India, and unfortunately, these are neither accessible nor affordable to the rural population in our country. In this episode of Inventing for Impact, we look at 2 innovations that are on a mission to make diagnostics accessible, affordable, and efficient.
Peripheral neuropathy is a damage to the nerves caused by diabetes, and if this is left untreated, can lead to ulcers, gangrene, and eventual amputation.
Deemed to be the diabetes capital of the world, India has as many as 50 million people who suffer from type 2 diabetes.
At Yostra, our vision is to prevent all avoidable amputations. The problem we see with screening of diabetic patients for peripheral neuropathy is that there are no point-of-care devices available for the doctors to screen the patients early. NeuroTouch is our flagship product. It's a handheld, battery-operated device that can perform 5 tests and detect the condition early. It's the world's first neuropathy screening device that combines the 5 tests and a cloud-based solution with an AI interpretation to screen diabetic patients for neuropathy and predict ulceration.
It used to take around 25 to 30 minutes for evaluation of a diabetic foot, but with NeuroTouch, it takes probably 12 to 15 minutes for the evaluation of a diabetic foot. It's just one paramedical staff who can probably screen close to around 500 to 1000 patients in a day using the simple handheld NeuroTouch.
Paving the way for effective diagnosis is another invention, solving for the problem of detecting early signs for 3 infectious diseases.
All these 3 diseases, vector-borne diseases, comes as almost very similar signs and symptoms. So how we can make an early diagnosis of this disease is what matters.
I lost my 11-year-old niece to dengue. Although she was diagnosed with dengue after 3 days of fever, the post-mortem analysis sadly revealed that she had a co-infection of malaria too, which went undiagnosed, and that was the trigger to work on this project. Ameliorate was formed with the vision of making the lives of people better, and we are trying to build up a platform technology wherein we can diagnose diseases with similar symptoms, and the platform should be such that it is accessible and affordable to all. The first product of Ameliorate is a diagnostic kit called Assured, which is a immunodiagnostic kit and which can screen malaria, dengue and chikungunya at one go. And we have made it so simple and efficient that it can be done in any remote settings in any part of our country. Ameliorate is the only company right now in India who is using the vertical flow in a multiplex platform to detect these diseases. The whole procedure takes place in just 5 steps. First is the collection of the blood sample, filtering it, adding the metal nanoparticles, putting it onto the device, buffering it, and we have the results in 10 minutes.
In fact, it is a wonderful idea that how we can conglomerate all these 3 into a single unit and tell the patient, yes, you have chikungunya or you have the malaria, which can be either vivax or falciparum, or you are suffering from dengue.
These are just 2 of the many such innovations we at Willgrow take pride in nurturing. The world needs more innovations that are sustainable, scalable, and attend to pressing community needs. And the future of social innovation starts with inventing right, inventing for impact.